I want this to be mixed in really, really good. This red wine is actually, you can smell the flavor in it. It's definitely coming out. All right, so now we're just gonna go ahead and we're gonna start seasoning it. Now this is my favorite, this is my secret family recipe. This is the meat moisturizer. This is gonna keep your meat nice and moist. This right here, this is some red peppers, pieces of bacon, thyme, and we also have basil in here as well. Rubbed in. Now you guys is like, oh my gosh, this is a lot that she's adding to this. It's gonna be so scrumptious, you guys. Now, cooking is all about taste and being adventurous, tying in key flavors to make a complete puzzle. We have our adobo, and then we have some garlic and lemon pepper in here as well. Now once I get these seasonings in here, nice and tied in together, we're going to start doing the veggies. Okay, these are ghost peppers. I have the red, green, and yellow ghost pepper in here. Give it that nice hot flavor. Once again, this is the bell peppers, the 3 green bell peppers, and it's only actually one that I actually put in there with some onions. And to top it off, I actually pureed some pineapples as well. So this was fresh pineapple. So we got a lot of different mixtures, textures, flavors going in here, and I'm telling you, it's gonna tie in together. It's gonna be wonderful. And like I told you guys before, cooking is all about experimenting. That's how you make your recipes unique and authentic. And anything at Renee Mae's Kitchen is going to be authentic and unique. Okay, you guys. So we got this nice and soaked in. Oh my gosh, this smells really, really good. So now that I have the meat nice and soaked over into the seasonings, into the marinades that I made, I'm actually just going to put it over in the bowl. And then I'm going to cover it with aluminum foil. I'm going to place it in the refrigerator for 3 hours to let the cold set into it so it can start getting that nice marinara juice. And I'm actually going to let it sit soak overnight, because I have the beans and stuff that got to be put on. And once I finish with the beans and stuff, I'm just going to go ahead and put this over in it.